Portfolios in PPM Express help you structure work at scale, group related programs and projects into portfolios, so you can manage strategy, execution, and performance from a single view. From the Portfolios page, you can quickly access each portfolio's dashboard to review its associated projects and programs. On the Portfolio dashboard, you can manage portfolios, track progress, and ensure alignment, all in one centralized location. Each portfolio includes a program and project list with the details that matter: status, progress, stage, and more. Using other dashboard sections, you can quickly identify risks, delays, or budget concerns and take action. You can seamlessly import risks, key dates, milestones, and releases from projects and programs into your portfolio for enhanced visibility and proactive management. On the Portfolios page, you can switch between timeline, table, and cards mode, depending on how you want to work. You can use existing views or create a view that fits your needs. Filter by project owner, health, dates, or any custom fields. Save and reuse views and filters to stay focused and consistent across the team. Get the big picture and manage your portfolio with confidence with PPM Express.